So here we are in Bracknell. It is the 30th of December 2013. So it's about 6 months, perhaps a bit longer, since my previous video. And as you can see, we have the town centre enjoying the post-Christmas rush. That is this bit of the town centre. We look over here. And as you can see, the old town centre has completely disappeared. Even Crossway House has been utterly demolished, and all that's left is a very large pile of bricks and other debris, which you can see emerging from behind the estate agents. Let's take a closer look. Here is a view of what was once Crossway. And there once again is the very large pile of pulverized bricks and other debris. As you can see, this is being described as a regeneration. It's actually destruction. This is where the side elevation of Crossway House was. As you can see, all we have now is the sky. Here is another view of the desolation of what was once, well, it's difficult to describe as a shopping centre because most of the shops were either very small businesses or they were the charities. But as you can see, absolutely nothing remains. Great news! This work represents another step forward in the regeneration of Bracknell town centre. Here is a view looking up towards the undisturbed part of Bracknell. Well, the particularly strong winds have actually blown down one of the fence panels here, so I'm able to give you a panoramic view of the demolition. I'm the first to admit it is not the most exciting view you can see. The CCTV camera on top of that mast there represents the point of the corner of the new discount store, which was the former cooperative department store. Over there you see the steps which would take you to the elevated shopping area above the chip shop and the barbers and what have you. And there's the spiral ramp that would take you down, or up indeed. Another panoramic view of the desolation. As I mentioned before, this is not the world's most exciting video, but at least it shows you the work in progress in migrating this area of Bracknell from the designs of the 1960s to the designs of the early 21st century. Will they be an improvement? Somehow, I'm afraid, I don't think so.